Hello friends, welcome to Build Learning Club. In this tutorial, I am going to talking about when expression. In the previous video, I have already told about if and if else condition. So let's take an example first. If x equal to, so I will put here a condition x if x equal to 3 and then print x is 3. If else if x equal 4, then I print x is 4. Now also here I use else if condition and now put if x equal 5, then just put it is 5, and here also type else if. Now if x equal 6, then just type it is 6. So print ln and just type it is 6. Okay, so here at last just uh, put the else condition. So when these all are not true, so this else condition will be executed. Just print ln and just type nothing. Okay, so if you execute this, it will give a result nothing. Okay, so here these all conditions are wrong. So if I put the value x equal 4, then what will happen? It will give a result of 86 is 4. This condition is matched. But your code is too long. Okay, so if you are using when condition, then you can create it very easily. So now I am using when. So at first just take a val y equal and just type when when, and just here put the variable, this is x, just put this x, and now just write the all conditions. So if the value of x is 1, then just print it is 1. If the value of x is 2, then just print it is 2. And now when the value of x is 4, just type it is 4. Sorry, this is 3, so just type this is 3, it is 3. So remember friends, this is the syntax. So this one is what? This is the value of x, that means this. And when the value of x is 1, then this will be executed. So now when the value of x is 4, just type it is 4. Okay, so now I have to print the result of y. So just type print ln and just type y. Okay, so here the value of x is 4. So just run this. So when expression must be exhaustive and necessary else branch. Okay, so it will take else also. When these all conditions are not true, then else will be executed. So now you have to type else else and just type nothing, ing, and now run this. But here x, the value of x is 4, so this will be executed surely. So now just run it. So now you can see it is 4. So when the value of x is 67 or anything, so the else condition will be executed. That means when the value is not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, then else condition will be executed. So in this way you can use when expressions easily instead of if else condition. So this is more easy friends, so you can use it in this way. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this tutorial. See you in next video.